Hello everyone. So today is day 28 of the challenge and I have successfully completed 28, not 28 but 27 days. I have completed 27 days successfully recording myself. Either it is not one, either it is 2-minute video or it is 10-minute video. I have done the recording and posted it on YouTube successfully without skipping a single day. But I have missed one thing, and that is talking randomly on any topic which comes in my mind. Which comes in my mind. I have only recorded one video in which I have talked about a single topic, and on that day I have done a little bit research about that topic, and despite of all these days, I have just switched on my camera and talked randomly about anything which comes in my mind. So after posting 27 days, three things I have realized that at the starting of the challenge I have a lot of fear, but right now I have fear, but I don't have a lot of that kind of fear कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग देख ही नहीं रहे तो मुझे चिंता ही नहीं, लोग देखें या ना देखें मुझे चिंता नहीं है, बस मुझे अपने आप को सुधारना है, मेरी बस वही चिंता है। अब मुझे लोगों की चिंता करनी थोड़ी कम कर दी है मैंने, लेकिन ख़त्म नहीं हुई, लेकिन कम कर दी है मैंने। और दूसरी चीज़ जो मैंने रियलाइज करी है वो है कि अ, 27 दिन पहले जब मैंने इस चैलेंज को स्टार्ट किया था तो मुझे और रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले 10 बार ही दिमाग में आता था कि मैं क्या बोलूँ, क्या नहीं बोलूँ, क्या बोलूँ, क्या नहीं बोलूँ, क्या बोलूँ, क्या ना बोलूँ। लेकिन जब मैंने 27 दिन कंप्लीट कर दिया तो ऑटोमेटिक जब मेरी अब मैं कैमरा ऑन करता हूँ तो ऑटोमेटिकली मैं स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ बोलना। जो भी मेरे मन में है, जो भी मैं बोल देता हूँ। लेकिन उससे पहले ये होता था कि मुझे नहीं आता, मैं नहीं बोल पाऊँगा, मुझे नहीं आता, मैं नहीं बोल पाऊँगा। लेकिन अब ऑटोमेटिकली मैं फ्लो में चला जाता हूँ। और तीसरी चीज़ ये मैंने सीखा है कि नथिंग इज़ रियली हार्ड। I have been planning to record video and post it on social media from around 2022. I have also put a video here on this channel, but it was unlisted, which I have recorded it on 22 April 2022 or 2022. If I continue doing that same thing, I know I have achieved a lot of things. Either it would be in terms of freelancing, either it would be in terms of communication, either it would be in terms of YouTube, either it would be in terms of social media. But I have a lot of fear and a lot of procrastination habit. So, what would be the plan for upcoming month? The plan for upcoming month would be from tomorrow. From tomorrow, I am going to start. I am going to pick only one topic, which either it would be something about marketing, either it would be something about communication, either it would be something about freelancing, or either it would be something about AI tools. So this is the first. These are the four things I would be talking about. And from tomorrow, and from tomorrow, I would I my mostly target would be around learning new things and building my personality on the YouTube and social media along with LinkedIn and Instagram. From tomorrow, I would be trying to build trying to build career thoughts, career skills, and and except those four topics, I would also cover 10% of my videos on skills needed. Video would be around internship journey, skills I am learning right now, and the career thoughts. So in these 27 days or 28 days, I was posting regularly, but the problem was I have not a clear direction, and the anything which is without direction or without clarity, it is incomplete, or you are not going to achieve that thing. So from tomorrow I would be do a proper research on a topic on which I will be talking about, and my topics would be only around those four topics which I have covered earlier. And now I want to start learning and documenting properly.